Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review of this cast iron Dutch oven from Lodge. In this video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about this Dutch oven, including the one important thing I think you should know before buying. First of all, I love the size of this Dutch oven. We got the 6 quart, which is plenty of space for anything that you're gonna do in your kitchen. It's a pretty big size pot, so yeah, I love that. The quality is unbelievable. I've been using this for a while now. This Dutch oven is super easy to clean. It always looks super sparkly, which I like. It always looks brand new. If you take good care of it, you're gonna be able to have this for a long time. So this Dutch oven is a enameled cast iron. So the cast iron is not exposed. So this right here is covered with porcelain. So you see the shiny outside and also the inside. So this right here is porcelain. And the really cool thing about having a cast iron pot, like a Dutch oven, is how the heat is perfectly even. So you're not gonna have problems of cooking one side more than the other side. That's why a lot of people want to have a Dutch oven, like especially a cast iron Dutch oven, because of the perfectly distributed heat component that these Dutch oven have. So this Dutch oven is safe to use in the oven up to 500 Fahrenheit, which is a lot. You can also use this on your stovetop. You can put this in the fridge, pretty much anywhere. You can use this anywhere, which is cool because there are some dishes that you have to start cooking on your stovetop and then you have to put it in the oven. It's nice to have something like this that you can use it in anywhere. You know, you don't have to change to another pot to be able to use in the oven. You have dual handles right here, but when you're cooking, like I said, this can get really hot because the heat is evenly distributed, so everything is gonna get hot besides this top right here. So just be careful, wear some protective gloves before grabbing onto the handles because you're going to burn your hands. In terms of cooking, you can cook pretty much anything in this Dutch oven. I made rice here before and it turned out great. One of the best rice I've ever made. So yeah, you're not really limited with this Dutch oven. You can do a lot of things in it, a lot of dishes in it. Now let's talk about the one important thing I said in the beginning I think you should know before buying this cast iron. So because it is enameled coated with this porcelain finish, you have to be very careful when placing the top or even the whole thing anywhere because you can chip it. You're gonna see some chipping around if you're not careful. So I'm always paying very close attention when I place the cover down. You know, I'm always very, very careful because you can chip it. So just keep that in mind. You gotta have some type of care with these type of pots, but overall this is great. This makes some great dishes. It's like I said, it's really nice to have something like this in your kitchen, and once you have one of these, you're probably gonna be buying more, which is my case. I'm already looking into buying another one, a second one to have around in case I need it. So yeah, love it and highly recommend it.